Hello, guys. So I have a loose tooth and I want to pull it out, and I'm going to be shooting it out for this Nerf blaster called Icon, and I'm going to be shooting at my dad over there.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm kind of
ready.
ready.
It's not hung on anything.
Yeah.
5, 4.
Stop. No.
Okay. Open your mouth. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I heard it! I just shot the Nerf thing, and my little tiny tooth came out. And we were screaming like idiots when it hit. Because my mom said, oh, I heard it hit the floor, and we just ran over to where it was. And this Nerf Icon, it actually shot it out, and we found it, and this is my tooth. So, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.